Hi Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you, mga gabay at blessings for Capricorn. Maraming salamat also for supporting my channel by not skipping ads. Maraming salamat Capricorn. Tingnan natin anong meron for Capricorn, please. Okay, we have the Magician, the Three of Wands, Strength, Page of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Okay. Malapit mo nang makuha yung gusto mo, Capricorn. Meron kang inaabangan or inaantay, no? Merong energy of abundance dito, but kailangan ng pasensya. Be patient at this time. Also, it's time for you to make long-term plans, no? Para sa future mo, this is about business or sa trabaho mo, something like that, okay? And be confident, no? Siguro kung meron kayong gustong sabihin, okay, meron kayong gustong i-clarify, so speak your mind, be confident, and yet remain to be disciplined, controlled, no, sa inyong mga emosyon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you're showing that you are strong, no, mentally, okay, or even physically, okay. So sinasabi, just be patient lang kung merong mga difficulties or may mga hindrances, no, or balakid na nangyayari along the way sa mga plans ninyo. Okay? You are manifesting your dreams, no. Meron kang gustong mangyari, meron kang gustong ma-achieve, or meron kang gustong gawin. So, I think kailan mo lang dito ng drive and action, no, para magawa mo yun. Okay, use your resources, use your talent, your skills. Okay? Also, yeah, may good news na paparating sa inyo. Okay? Good news, magandang balita. Okay? Maybe this is good news about money. Okay? Siguro merong magbibigay sa'yo ng pera, makakatanggap ka ng pera or increase in money or salary, something like that. Or for some, this is good news about your application, no? You will be hired or mabibigyan ka ng time or attention, no? Parang this is your time, Capricorn. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be paying debts, no? You will be receiving loan. Merong pag-increase doon ng inyong kaperahan or, yeah, finances, okay? Yung iba, this is a new career opportunities na i-offer sa inyo, okay? And you are thrilled about this, you are inspired about this, no? Naglo-look forward ka na magiging maganda ang resulta, okay, ng offer na to kung iyong tatanggapin. Alright? Tingnan natin kung ano tong Magician. Yeah. Okay, we have the two of Pentacles. Okay, maybe you are very busy, no? Parang ang dami mong gagawin, no? So, sinasabi dito na parang kailangan mo mag-prioritize. You need to balance, no? Work-life balance is important dito. Also, you are juggling 2 ideas, 2 jobs. Mga decisions and options. So, prioritize, no? Ano yung importante? Ano yung kailangan or dapat unahin? Okay? And yes, you will be able to manage multiple tasks. Alright? Tingnan natin, ano tong the Strength? Yeah, too many things going on at once for you. Okay? So, but you have the skills, no? To do it. To do it well, no? Kung may makailangan kang tapusin, matatapos at magagawa mo lahat. Okay? We have the Queen of Swords. Yeah. So, sinasabi dito that you need to be objective, no? Or focus on your goal. But, siguro kailangan mo din mag-inject ng fun or wag masyadong seryoso, no? Sa inyong, wag masyadong seryoso. Okay? To the point na nakakalimutan mo ng balansehin, no? Yung sarili mo, yung emosyon mo. At parang you need to learn how to prioritize things at the same time. Okay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are setting boundaries, Capricorn, with a fire sign, specifically a Leo. Okay? Merong coldness dyan. Alright? You are independent, no? From this person. Okay? Tingnan natin. More energies for Capricorn. We have the Two of Swords. Okay. Merong indecision, no? You need to make a choice. You need to make a decision. Kung meron ka mga options, meron kang tinitingnan ng mga choices, pag-isipan, pag-aralan ng mabuti bago ka gumawa ng decision at bago ka gumawa ng action. Okay? Remember that all that glitters is not gold, no? So, kailangan mong busisiin, no? Suriin bawat option meron ka. Tingnan mo, no? Bago ka gumawa ng action. Tingnan mo kung ano yung mga consequences and all that. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you keep on reassessing the situation, no? Over a situation. Maybe this is about your work, your priorities, also your money. Are you kung mag-spend ka ba or hindi, no? Merong ganun dito. But, merong improvement dito when it comes to your money. Okay? Merong paparating, no, na pera sa inyo, Capricorn. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you're spending too much time, no? You are spending too much time thinking about kung ano yung desisyon na gagawin mo, no? Parang may mga wishful thinking ka dito, may mga daydreaming, what if, no? May mga ganyan pa, okay? And I think, kailangan din yun, no? Bago ka gumawa ng desisyon. Yun lang, wag lang masyado mag-procrastinate, kumbaga, okay? Or mag-waste ng time. Kasi tumatakbo yung oras, no? Yung araw, okay? We have the King of Cups, the King of Swords, and the Page of Wands, okay? Alright, so yeah, siguro meron kayong, if you need professional advice, no? Paano ba yung pwede ninyong gawin? Or merong offer sa inyo? Maybe a partnership, this is a business, something like that, makipag-collaborate. Siguro, kailangan mo mag-seek ng advice or professional advice from someone, no? Na mas nakakaalam sa ganyang area. Alright? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga charity work kang gagawin, Capricorn, no? May mga tao din na kailangan ng inyong pag-unawa, ng inyong compassion, no? Kailangan ng inyong tulong, okay? Okay, Page of Wands, yeah. Be excited about the future, Capricorn. Look forward, no? Yung iba sa inyo, may mga travel plans kayo, no? Parang you are hoping na, siguro, you are hoping or wishing na pumunta sa ganitong lugar, something like that, no? Or meron kang gustong gawin na venture, maybe creative passion or passion project na gusto ninyong simulan, okay? Meron ganong energy dito. And if you want that, you can ask different ideas from someone na mas nakakalam or mas makakatulong sa inyo, okay? Alright, tingnan natin. We have the 8 of Pentacles, the 5 of Wands, the Chariot, the 3 of Cups, and the 9 of Wands. Alright. Merong energy dito. You are deciding whether to do the job or not, no? Whether to study or not, no? May mga bothersome ideas dito or details na kailangan mong i-clarify or linawin, no? Yeah. Conflicting, no? Conflicting yung mga choices, yung mga options mo. So, I think kailangan mo dito ng guidance also from someone na makakatulong sa inyo. Okay? For some, meron kayong pinag-aaralan, no? Mayroon kayong minamaster na task or na skills na makakatulong sa work mo. Okay? Kailangan dito ng hard work din, no? At sipag. Okay? Yeah, in order to succeed, no? over a situation or maybe over a problem, something like that, okay? Merong movement dito, or maybe you will be traveling for work, no? Or maybe you will be changing job, or meron kang mga bibisitahin na mga client, no? Or customer, something like that, okay? But there is victory here. Merong energy na ganun, alright? Yeah. You need to have that willpower and confidence na kailangan, kung meron kang gustong gawin, no? Huwag ka pang hinaan ng loob, okay? And action is needed, no? Para mag-materialize yung gusto mong mangyari, okay? And be patient at this time kasi hindi lahat ay, yung success is not, you cannot achieve success overnight, kumbaga. Kailangan mong pagtrabahuhan, alright? We have the Three of Cups, okay? For some of you, you will be connecting or communicating with people, no? You need to talk to them, or you will be connecting with people, or maybe this is friends or colleagues also, may mga gatherings, okay? There is a need here to have fun, Capricorn, no? Yeah, magparamdam, no, sa mga friends or sa mga family mo, okay? Yeah, merong announcement dito of good news. Okay, maybe this is about a promotion or increase in salary. Okay, or yeah. We have the Nine of Wands. Alright. Yeah, for some of you, you are undecided. Again, merong energy dito of indecision. Parang bang hindi ka makapag-decide. Like, meron ka nang nilulook forward na gagawin. Pero at the same time, parang half-hearted ka. Parang hindi mo alam if kailan mo umpisahan or paano mo umpisahan. Something like that. Parang feeling mo, parang may hirapan ka or you will be pressured to do it. Okay, merong ganong moment or energy dito na ganyan. Okay? So, siguro, you need to see things, no, more clearly. Kumuha ka pa ng mga information, okay? Kumuha ka pa ng mga advice sa mga tao na mas nakakaalam, no, sa ganyang area or sa ganyang opportunity, okay? So, believe in yourself. Don't give up, no? Be courageous, okay? Yeah, be courageous. Be brave. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayahan, sa skills mo, okay? Na malalagpasan mo yung mga challenges na yan. Or kung meron pang umpisahan mo yan basta may willpower, okay? Tingnan natin, ano tong Eight of Pentacles. We have the Knight of Cups, okay? So, again, sinasabi na be confident, no? And also prioritize. Prioritize, pag-aralan mo, prioritize anong dapat unahin. Okay, ano yung mas importante. Okay, balance and harmony is needed here. Also, be patient, no? Lalo kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, no? Sa isang opportunity, maybe sa bagong trabaho, or kung ano man to. Okay? Parang sinasabi din, kalma lang. Alright? Seven of Pentacles. Yeah. For some of you, you are frustrated or tinitingnan mo pa lang, parang nahihirapan ka na, na-frustrate ka na. Alright? Yeah, may mga unnecessary worries ka dito. Capricorn. Okay? You have the world. Iniisip mo, paano ko kaya ito mapagtatagumpayan? Okay? But what you don't know, this opportunity will give you contentment, no? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Merong Five of Cups. Kumbaga, parang hindi mo pa nasimulan, parang meron kang iniisip, okay? Yung parang tinitingnan mo na yung mga losses or, parang dun ka more on sa negative side, okay? So, don't be. You need to soldier on. Huwag kang mag-dwell sa anong hindi mo kaya, or wag kang mag-dwell dahil feeling mo hindi ka magtatagumpay dyan. Something like that, okay? So, yeah, for some of you, may mga money losses kang iniisip dito, alright? So, may mga options, may mga paraan. So, wag ka muna mag-conclude or lalo na hindi mo pa naumpisahan, okay? Kasi parang may energy dito of opportunity, okay? Project siguro to or collaboration, pero parang half-hearted ka, okay? Yeah, mayroong new opportunities eh. May energy dito of new opportunities for you, no? To grow, to expand. Okay. Maybe you're thinking about your weaknesses. Okay. Tingnan natin. We have the Six of Swords. Yeah. Merong ending of a difficult situation dito, no? Kailangan mo lang ng confident na malalagpasan mo. Okay? There is a new chapter dito. You need to strengthen your mind, no? Merong Ace of Swords. Okay. Merong the Seven of Swords. Yeah, strategic planning, no? Kailangan mo dito is plano. Be strategic. Okay? May mga changes of plans din dito. Kung paano mo makuha, no? Yung result na gusto mo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, this is a challenging beginning for you. Okay, but in your mind, no, nag-iisip ka, ano yung, nagsa-strategize ka, no, na mga steps or mga processes, kung paano mo gawin to, yung mga approach mo, something like that, kung paano, alright, the Fool, yeah, you need to take that leap of faith, no, otherwise, wala kang masisimulan or maumpisahan. Okay, be confident, there is a new chapter for you, this is an exciting beginning for you, okay? And the Queen of Swords. Yeah, be objective. Objective, no? Focus ka doon sa goal mo, sa gusto mong mangyari, no? Sa desired result. Focus ka sa mga gagawin mo, sa mga priorities mo. Okay? Ma-overcome mo din yung mga challenges na to with grace. Parang kaya-kaya mong i-handle. Okay? Capricorn. One more. Yeah, Seven of Wands. Yeah, you will be able to overcome kung ano man itong mga frustrations, no? Yeah, siguro may mga tao din na parang merong, paano ba to? Yung hindi supportive sa'yo, okay? Be driven, be ambitious, okay? Action is needed. Okay, you are an intelligent person, mapagparaan, or may mga paraan kang naiisip. But also, take time, no, to review yung mga options mo bago ka magsimula kaagad, okay? Nang mabilis. Parang hinay-hinay lang. So, a calculated risk also is important. Tingnan ng mabuti, okay? Yeah, good things will come to you, no? Merong celebration dito or gatherings, no? With your family, with your friends. For some of you, yung mga material needs mo and emotional needs mo will be met, no? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo nag-reminisce ka ng mga happy moments, no? Or maybe you will be communicating with an old friend or mga friends na mga, yeah, old friend or mga kakilala mo dati, okay? You will be communicating or mga ngamusta, no? Two of Cups, yeah. Kamustahan, okay? Meet up. Yeah, for some of you, you will be joining or collaborating with a person na makakatulong sa inyo, okay? Tingnan natin, one more. Page of Swords, the King of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Empress, and the Eight of Wands. Okay, you will be busy. Okay? You will be very busy. Para magtatrabaho ka, para ma-develop mo or ma-nurture mo itong opportunity or yung trabaho mo to, or creative project or passion project na gagawin mo. Okay, you will be nurturing yourself, developing yourself, no? Yung mga skills mo, talent mo, something like that. Okay? Don't think about losses, okay? Just focus on your goal and your objective, no? Communicate with vision and be a leader, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you will be getting information para mas makakatulong sa'yo to have that confidence, para ma-build pa further yung confidence mo sa sarili. Okay? Okay, may mga delays, but it's okay, no? Parang kailangan yan, no? Para may time ka pa na ma-develop mo pa further yung sarili mo. Yeah, yung iba kasi may energy dito of being in control over people around, no? Sa mga mangyayari, sa mga tao na mga makakatrabaho mo or siguro kung meron kang negosyo, no? Parang ikaw yung overall or kontrolado mo. Parang ganon. Yung operation, yung kontrolado, business operation, I mean, or kung ano man yung mga kailangan mong trabahuin or kung ano man tong opportunity for you. Okay? You are in control. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Capricorn, anong message sa'yo from the universe? Excuse me. Don't lose sight of this truth. You came here to evolve and grow. It is necessary to experience the difficult times. That is when you will grow most. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. Be proud of your journey. So, all of this, no, is a journey for you. So, wag kang matakot, no? Wag kang ma-intimidate. And kung meron mang mga challenges or difficulties, no, it's part of your success. Okay? Parang kailangan mong pagdaanan yan. So that you will grow strong, no? You will be confident later on. And with that, you will be proud of yourself. Dahil sa success na matatanggap mo dahil sa hard work mo, okay? And by being ambitious, okay? And confident, alright? So, Capricorn, these are the messages for you. All the best. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!